Good morning, guys. It's me again, Mo's Lawn Care LLC. Um, just getting ready to load up for the day's job. Want y'all to come take a ride with me today, man. We are gonna be doing some tree trimming today, and like I said, I just loading up. Got the big boy out, the 10-footer ladder. Got the steel blowout, clean up after we done. Got the Echo hedge trimmer. Some of these hedges got to come down. Got my Remington 22-inch bar. Yep, ready to go, lock and loaded. Also got old trusty. That's the steel. I think that's a 16-inch bar. So we're gonna be out here getting it in this day on this Saturday morning. Want y'all to come check it out, man. I'm still at the shop loading up. I call my my house the shop. Yeah, but yeah. So I want y'all to come out with me and come check me out today, man. Mo's Lawn Care signing off. I'm gonna get back with y'all on a few when I'm on the job and the afterwards on the job. So y'all just come on, man, hang in there and come on with me. Peace and blessings. Here you come. Another successful tree going down.
Hey man, cut it. Pull it out of the way.
So we had 2 trees we pulled down. Mo's Lawn Care at it again.
Hey, somebody move that ladder. You put it all up over there.
watching. Comment, subscribe. Mo's Lawn Care, Norfolk, Virginia. Virginia Beach, Virginia. Signing off.